Hi, precious family. I welcome you all to Brasia Kitchen. Today, what I have for you is very simple. Turmeric tea. On the screen, you see some of the benefits of turmeric. Thank you. Okay, so our ingredients, we have ginger here, turmeric, lemon, and black pepper, and honey. If you try this tea, please do your own research and also consult your doctor. Thank you. This pan, I have hot water in it. Slice the add in the ginger and the turmeric. Okay, so 2 slices, and the black pepper comes, pinch a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on the stove. So it start boiling, so I'm gonna turn the stove off and let it cool down a little bit. So I'm gonna add the honey. You can drink it like that. You can add a honey. I'm adding honey too. Minutes now. Look at it. The color is so beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna put it in here. Oops. Yeah. Here is our turmeric tea. Good. Some drink it every day, but I will drink it twice in a week. Yeah, and also